Hi, today at ZeroZeroXVids.com we'll be unboxing a pair of Tom's shoes, 1-for-1. With every pair you purchase, Tom's will give a pair of new shoes to a child in need around the world. That's their 1-for-1 business model, which is excellent. It's one of the best things I've seen. We're in business to help improve lives, Toms.com. This is the box on the outside, that's what it says. On the top we have the Tom's logo and it says 1-for-1. Let's get it open, alright? So what I got here, the Tom's shoes I got are the main classic. That's the style, and the color is the black Burlap. They go with everything. Now, what this business model does is that every time you purchase one of the shoes or a pair of the shoes, they give a pair to someone in need anywhere around the world. And that's what I like about this company. And other than that, the shoes are excellent. They're very durable. They don't go bad quickly. I have bought these shoes before, and I'm always happy with what they give me. Let's see what else is in the box. We have the sticker, Tom sticker, the actual label with the model number and model style, color, all that. Now let's take a closer look at the shoes themselves. And let's see what this style is all about. Take another look at the label, the sticker, and I notice inside the box there's this little bit like of a plate, rather plastic. It says Tom's micro pack LDPE recyclable 1-for-1, which means this package is recycled, which is good. Okay, so that was the pair of Tom's shoes. This is also X for ZeroZeroX.com. Peace, and I'm out.